Welcome again. Let's see how we compare two things or three in English. Yes? So here we go. Let's suppose, just an imaginary situation, you need to buy a new computer. What are you going to take into account? The price? Yes, of course. So one computer is cheap, but maybe the other one is cheaper. Could be. Big. Yes, this computer is big and I want a smaller computer. Or this is good, but what if the other one is better? This is a comparative. So let's see how we do it in English. The first thing you have to remember is that when you are going to make comparisons, you are going to speak about adjectives. Adjectives are those words that accompany a noun. For example, big car, fast car, expensive car. The second thing we have to take into account is the length of the adjective. Is the adjective one syllable long, two syllables? Let's see this. Happy. Alright, that would be two syllables. The division into syllables is not the same as in Spanish, but visually you may consider that they are. So happy is a two-syllable adjective. So let's see a little bit of examples of one, two, or three-syllable adjectives. Long. Happy, two syllables. Cheap. Important. Crazy. Big. Dirty. Wonderful. Catch it? Not difficult. Why is this important? Because we have two different rules. If adjectives are long, we have one rule. And if they are short, we have another one. So let's take an example with a long adjective. The example is intelligent. And we want to compare cats and dogs. I am a cat person, so if you ask me, I would say cats. But in general, the rule goes dogs. Right, look at this. Dogs are more intelligent than cats. More intelligent than cats. Yes? Similar to Spanish? Yes, similar to Spanish. The only little thing to pay attention to is than. Another example. We keep on going with cats and dogs. Haha. It's expensive to have a cat or a dog. But dogs are more expensive than cats. They eat a lot. They are big. So what do we do with comparatives when they are long adjectives? You put more and then than. So you say more interesting than, more intelligent than, etc., etc. Don't forget than. Now, short adjectives. This is tricky. Tricky because it's different from Spanish. Yes, but here we go. Tall. If you compare a bear to a human, what do you think? Ha! Look at that. So, bears are taller than humans. Taller than humans. Another example to keep on practicing. Again, if we compare to humans, that's an ostrich. Remember the big birds from Australia? Ostrich. So, believe it or not, yes. So, we humans are smaller than ostriches. Smaller. Haha. So, what happens with short adjectives? We add er to the adjective. So you say shorter, bigger, taller, than whatever comes next. Catch it? Yes, I assume you do. Okay, so what is important here is to distinguish if it is long or short. So you say, for example, more expensive, but you say smaller. Okay, let's practice. What about this one? Fast. Faster. Yes, it's short. That's easy. It's one syllable, so we say faster. Remember the movie, Faster and Furious? Okay, comfortable. Ah, that's long. So you say more comfortable. Another one. Heavy. Okay, two syllables. In general, they are considered short. So you say heavier, heavier. You change the Y. Polite, polite. That's two syllables again. Yes, but this one is in general considered long. So you say more polite. There's no reason for this. It's a question of use. You will see them and you will probably remember. So don't panic, yes, and observe. Large. It sounds as one syllable. Even if you think you see two syllables, it's one. So you say larger. Yes, very good. So this is the rule to write. If it is a short adjective, longer. If it is a two-syllable adjective, it may happen that you consider it short, happier, or that you consider it long, more common. Don't worry, don't panic, check. And then you have the long adjectives, more dangerous. That is what you have to remember. Key question. Now, the spelling rules. When you add er to a one-syllable adjective such as tall, you simply add er, that's it. But if the adjective finishes with an e, you don't duplicate the e. You write nicer and just the r. Now, what happens when the adjective finishes with a consonant preceded by one vowel? You double the consonant. So you have wet, wetter, double T. Hot, hotter. Yes, one consonant preceded by one vowel. And then the final rule, if it finishes with a Y, you change it to I, while preceded by a consonant. So you say happier, heavier. Yes, it doesn't affect the sound of the comparative. It's a question of spelling. Let's practice, and this is my favorite part. So today is a hot day. Well, maybe in the northern hemisphere, because today is very cold. It's a hot day. But check this out. This situation is terribly hotter. So picture number 2 is hotter. Another one. Ah, poor man, he's tired. But check this out. This dog is very, very tired. He's more tired than the boy. She's happy. But look at this man. Ha! Definitely happier. It's a windy day, true. But yesterday, ha! It was windier. Woof! Ah, that's a careless person. My God. But check this out. Ah, poor girl. She's more careless. Not very intelligent. Ah, wow! They caught a big fish. Check this out. You will not believe it. Yeah, that is a bigger fish. All right. Thank you for paying attention. We will continue speaking about comparatives in another video. Good luck!